Hi children, good morning. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. And today we will discuss one new topic. Okay, as we all know that there are 26 letters are in English alphabet. These letters help us to make different words. Is it possible to get the meaning of all these different types of words? No, it's not possible. So, if we want to get a meaning of an unknown word, what will we do? Yes, of course, there is an option. We must look at the dictionary to get the meaning. Dictionary is a thick book and it has thousands and thousands of words with its meaning. Using this dictionary, we will get the meaning of different words. So, how to get the meaning of these words? What do we do? Yes, there is a pattern. What is the pattern? In a dictionary, all the words are arranged in alphabetical order. So, if you want to find out a word in a dictionary, you need to search in the correct alphabetical order. So, what is the pattern? Yes, the pattern is alphabetical order. Now, we need to understand what do you mean by alphabetical order. When words are arranged in the order or sequence of letters as in alphabet A to Z, then the words are said to be in alphabetical order. So, what do we understand by alphabetical order? It means the words are arranged in the order as they appear in alphabet starting from A till Z. The words should follow the particular pattern. Now let us take up more examples. Here they are given two sets of words. In the first set of words, apple, balloon, cake, doll. And in the second set of words, flower, giraffe, nest and toy. Look at the first set of words. The first word apple begin with the letter A. Balloon begin with the letter B. And cake, the first letter C, and doll, first letter D. See, look at these. All the first letters of these words, it's in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, like that order. Now you look at the second set of words. Flower, giraffe, nest, and finally toy. See, flower, the first letter is F. Giraffe, the first letter is G. Nest, the first letter is N. And toy, the first letter is T. Here, G comes after F. And N comes after G. And T comes after N. So, that also in alphabetical order. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. The words they are given: hen, cat, fruit and finally sheep. How do we arrange these words? If the words begin with different letters, then arrange the words such that the first letter of the words are in alphabetical order. So, what is the correct order of the words? The correct order of the words would be like this: cat, fruit, hen and sheep. Now let us do the textual activity. Dictionary work. Look at these words: ant, bee, cat, drum. These words are in the ABCD order. Ant comes before bee and cat comes before drum. And below they are given one exercise. Arrange these words in the ABC order. Write them in the lines given. The words they are given here. First one butterfly, second one doll, third one flower, fourth one cow and fifth one ant, sixth one animal. So in all these words we need to find out the initial letter. From the word butterfly, the first letter is B. Doll, the first letter D. And flower, the first letter F. And cow, the first letter C. and ant first letter E, animal first letter A. So how to arrange these words in alphabetical order? Yes, of course. The first word should be animal and the second word is butterfly and the third word is cow and the fourth one doll and fifth one ant and sixth one flower. Now we can write these words in the lines given below. Here is a textual activity. Put these sentences in the correct order by numbering them. Here they are given 6 sentences. I will read one by one. First one, she is sad because no one wishes her. Second one, today is Minu's birthday. Third one, she comes back home from school. Fourth one, her friends and parents shout surprise. Fifth one, she opens the door and goes inside the house. And the last one, this is the best birthday, thinks Minu. So we need to arrange the sentences in correct order. They are given one example. The first sentence is today is Minu's birthday. And which is the second one? Yes, she is so sad because no one wishes her. That is the second sentence. And the third one, she comes back home from school. And the fourth one, she opens the door and goes inside the house. And the fifth one, her friends and parents shout surprise. And the last one, this is the best birthday, thinks Minu. That is the sixth one. So you should number these sentences in your textbook. Children, today we discuss to write the words in alphabetical order. How to write in alphabetical order? A, B, C, D, A to Z. There are 26 letters. How to arrange the words in alphabetical order? So you must do the activity and you must do the worksheet regarding this alphabetical order. Thank you.